वेलकम टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 9th। आज की इस प्रेजेंटेशन में हम फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ की सीरीज़ का लास्ट पार्ट डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। एंड इन दिस प्रेजेंटेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्लास्टिड्स, lysosomes and vacuoles. There will be a section-wise examination of each of these parts and subsequent discussion over their role and function and importance inside a cell. By the end of this presentation, students के पास points होंगे, knowledge होगी, facts होंगे, which they can include in their answer sheets for having an upper hand in the examination results. We hope that आप सभी हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर रेगुलरली फॉलो कर रहे हैं. Do make sure to like and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos, presentations or discussions. And hence you should not miss out on the easy to handle, easy to comprehend matter that has been provided for the students, which they can easily understand and they can use the knowledge from these presentations in their examination sheets as well. आज के जिस फर्स्ट सेल ऑर्गेनेली के बारे में हम डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं वो हैं प्लास्टिड्स. प्लास्टिड्स प्लांट सेल में पाए जाते हैं, एनिमल सेल में नहीं पाए जाते. हैंस प्लास्टिड्स आर ऑल्सो अ पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट सेल्स एंड एनिमल सेल्स. Plastids, just like mitochondria, are double membrane structure, and just like mitochondria, they are also known as semi-autonomous organelles because they have their own DNA which forms proteins, though these proteins are incomplete in their structure. Plastids three types के होते हैं: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplasts consist of chlorophyll pigment. Chromoplasts consist of pigments other than chlorophyll A and B, while leucoplasts perform the function of storage. For students to understand in a better way, chloroplasts have been taken out from the plant cells and have been modified into a cartoon structure for students. This diagram that has been shown can also be used in their examination sheets. We can clearly observe the presence of DNA, ribosomes, and internal matrix in this diagram. One of the more important features that this magnified view of chloroplast shows is the presence of coin-like stacked arrangement known as grana. Each coin of the grana is known as thylakoid. फोटोसिंथेसिस में होने वाली लाइट रिएक्शंस जितनी भी होती हैं उनका लोकेशन ग्राना और थाइलोकॉइड ही होते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेलुलर पार्ट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे इज रादर अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेल्स. इट कैन बी थॉट ऑफ एज अ पार्ट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन सेवियर मैकेनिज्म्स और क्लेंजिंग मैकेनिज्म्स एज वेल. लाइसोसोम्स गोल्जाई एपिटस के द्वारा प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और इन्हें हम सुसाइडल बैग्स भी बोलते हैं. फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लाइसोसोम्स इन अ बेटर वे, वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड अ वेरी सिंप्लीफाइड magnified view of lysosomes that can be used in examinations as well. In this diagram, we observe the presence of membrane proteins, bilipid layer, and a collection of acid hydrolysis and hydrolytic enzymes inside lysosomes. With the help of these enzymes, lysosomes digests the cell from which it has been produced. It happens when either a cell gets infected by a foreign particle such as virus or bacteria, or maybe it is not metabolically productive, or maybe the cell has aged. In all these situations, there is impromptu or situational production of lysosomes that perform the function of digesting and degenerating and degrading the structures of the cell. Since they digest the same cells from which they have been produced, hence, in this way, the name suicidal bag is justified. The last part of today's presentation that we are going to discuss is vacuole. In case of animal cells, either we do not observe the presence of vacuoles, and if we do, then they are present for a small specific time period and very small in size. While comparing this situation with plant cells, they have permanent vacuoles, and these vacuoles can cover around 50 to 90% of total cell volume. But an exception to this fact and rule is the मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल. मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स या मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू में वैक्यूल्स नहीं पाए जाते. This is because the function of meristematic cells is to grow. So whatever nutrition is provided to these cells, they apply or they use up all the nutrition in the functioning of growth, in the purpose of growing. Hence, there is no need of vacuoles in these cells, which brings us to the function of vacuoles. Vacuoles का काम cells में mainly storage का होता है. Water, minerals, ions, nutrition, waste substances, ऐसी categories को, ऐसे substances को vacuoles store करते हैं. Now since meristematic cells are responsible for growth only, that is why we do not observe the presence of vacuoles in meristematic cells. And if we are talking about animal cells, then since animals are in the access of food material or water every 2 or 3 hours, hence there is no such need of storing the nutrients inside the cells. While in case of plants, if we observe in our homes, even watering the flower pots is an activity taking place either in the morning or during the evening, and the plants do not have access to nutrition or water after every 2 or 3 hours. Hence this is supported by vacuoles in the form of storage of food substances inside the cells. Apart from this role of storage of substances, vacuoles play a very important part in maintaining the osmolarity of the cells. Osmolarity means the maintenance of water and ion balance inside cytoplasm, and vacuoles perform a very important function in maintaining this ion and water concentration or solute and solvent concentration by storing and releasing and regulating the amount of water and salt in the general cytoplasm. Now let us discuss about some interesting questions that have come up after the discussion of these cellular parts. The first question asks about listing different kinds of plastids and mentioning their functions. The second question asks about the utility, the usage of coin-like stacked arrangement in plastids. What name has been given to plastids for having their own DNA, and which other organelle falls in the same category is the inquiry of the third question. The fourth question asks about the origin of lysosomes, their purpose of production, and what name has been provided to these structures. Question number 5 asks about the condition of vacuoles in animal cells, that why are they temporary in animal cells, and which of the plant cells as an exception do not have vacuoles is also a part of question number 5. At the end of this series on fundamental unit of life, we have provided a concise table of discoveries of different parts of the cell by the scientists and discoverers and the year in which that discovery was made. ये टेबल केवल 9th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही नहीं, कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल के लिए भी काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज क्लास 9th में जहाँ 1 या 2 मार्क के लेवल पे इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, वहीं कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल पे कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस डिस्कवरी से रिलेटेड भी और ईयर ऑफ डिस्कवरी से रिलेटेड भी आ जाते हैं. सो दिस टेबल विल बी क्वाइट हेल्पफुल फॉर students of every level. We hope that you have followed us throughout this series of fundamental unit of life. Those who have just joined our channel may look up for other parts. Those are available on the platform. Do like, subscribe and propagate this channel so that more and more number of students get in touch and are exposed to simplest way of presentation, point making and answer making, so that they might be helpful in producing better results in their examinations. Thank you.